What was the previous class topic, guys? Yes. Yesterday we seen that profit status, right? Okay. So today we are going to start our most important topic, that is charts. Now till today, while learning different topics, we have made the charts by default, but we were not making them intentionally. Yes or no? No one asked you to make those charts. Now the thing is, you want to make a bar chart, you want to make a line chart only. So how will you make it? Getting it? While learning the topics, different combinations of the measures and dimensions we tried. So as a result, we were getting some output of charts. But today, we will do it intentionally. Yes. The person who was asking about the class timing, have you joined? Yes or no? Joined or not? Who was that person? Kirtana. Kirtana, are you there? Yeah, my screen is not visible because I'm not sharing my screen. Now I am sharing. So give the sheet name as charts. It will be good if you open a new workbook. Okay. Give it a name of learning charts or something like that. Workbook name. Your name. So no, open chart. Open the new workbook. Given the sheet name as charts. Yes. Now we'll focus on some basic things, basic understanding before starting the actual topic. That is, we have this show me option. Okay. Right now, anyone is not highlighted. Yes. As soon as I select category and see, as soon as I select category, some of that get highlighted. If I select, let us suppose sales also, control, click, sales also I select. Few of them got highlighted. Yes, one have a border, highlighted plus border means this is by default output which is going to come. Sometimes what we did, we taken this category and sum of sales. Yes or no? What we used to get? Bar chart, yes or no? So this is the by default output which is telling. But if you want, you can change it to pie chart also. Eventually, so whatever all charts are present, if you don't know also how to create this pie chart, all these things, you can just select the attributes and you can see these are all the possibilities by these two attributes which I can make chart of. Understood everyone? This whatever is getting highlighted means you can make this pie chart, area chart, tree map, not area chart, tree map, bubble chart, box plot, all these things you can make. But who is most recommended or what Tableau will going to be output? That is bar chart. So what is getting highlighted? That is the most suited outcome or what. Uh, Now let us suppose if I select state, I'll clear this. I select state, and if I only select state also, what is getting highlighted? Getting it? Area. This state map chart is getting highlighted. Symbol map, normal maps. Understood everyone? So whenever you are having some doubt what chart I should make, my insights are this. So you can select those and you can see possible recommendations. Now out of that, what you feel I should make, you can make the chart from there. Getting it? Now whenever you select time, order date and something sales or profit. So what is getting highlighted? Line chart, area chart. Are the most suited one is line. Yes or no? When I just double click, what I'm getting? Line. So what is most suited one is line. Now we'll learn one more thing. Till now what we have done, we have dragged and dropped. Drag and drop every time. From now onwards, what we'll see, we'll just double click. Whatever attributes we want, we'll double click. Now, if you want a cross tab, first you will click on dimension. If you want a cross tab, this kind of numbers, this visual means whatever is visible there, it is called as a cross tab, which will have numbers and this names. Okay, like a Excel table will be there. That kind of visibility is what it is called as cross tab. Now, if you want this kind of representation, first you can select dimension. If you want a visual means map or graph, charts like that, if you want, first what you can select, same thing I will select, subcategory and sum of sales, but in the different order. Earlier, first what I selected, subcategory, then I selected sales, dimension and measure. But if I do measure and dimension, now see, first measure then dimension. So whenever you are selecting a measure, you will get some chart output. The sequence you remember. First is if you select dimension, then you select measure, you'll get a cross tab. First you select a measure, then you select a dimension, then you'll get a whatever recommended chart is there by Tableau, by default chart that you will get visual. Is that clear everyone? Now, if I first select sales, then if I select order date, I'm getting line. If I first select order date, then select sales, cross tab. First selecting sales, then selecting state. I'm getting a bar because what I selected was sales. And now selecting state, the number of states, that many number of bars I'll get. But in the case of map, if you want, first you'll select the map, because this having this data type map, globe symbol is there. So first you will select for map if you want the output, the dimension, then measure. Now if you are double clicking on sales, what you are getting? Which kind of map you are getting? See, this kind of map is symbol map, it is known as. What is it is known as? Symbol map. Now this is normal map. When you put this in the sum of states. So getting it, everyone? Now I want you to focus 2 minutes on this. Only on this. You just hover map. What it requires? One geographical location, 0 or more dimension, 0 or more measures. Like that, I want you to scroll on each and everything, read this, how you can make this all charts. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes for that. Hover on each option and just read this. For pie chart, try 1 or more dimension, 2 or more measure. Like that, each thing I want you to read till the last. Do it, everybody. Done, everyone? Yes? Because done? रुको यहाँ आगे जाओ, बोलो. Should I stop? Should I wait or done? दो से ज्यादा में नहीं चलेगा, कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा. जो 1 और मोर कितने भी हो सकते हैं. 0 और 2 मतलब 2 लिमिटेड. ठीक है. बबल चार्ट में दिखा रहा 1 और 2 dimension 1 or more, dimension any number of chemical, but measure 1 or 2, because why it will show the size according to the number. ज्यादा मेजर्स हो गए तो साइज कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. हाउ शुड आई गिव द बबल साइज, बिगर स्मॉलर? अंडरस्टूड? So we'll do that. See here. The screen is visible, right, everyone? Charts. First one going to see is bar graph. Hmm. Read it loudly. Read it.
Description. Displays data on rectangular bars with lengths proportional to the value they represent. Uses. Comparing categorical data, ranking, showing individual item values. Example, comparing sales figures across different regions. How to create. Drag a dimension, example category, to the row cell. Drag a measure, example sales, to the column cell. Tableau automatically creates a bar chart.
Hmm. So as we have done this many practice of making the charts, this is very simple for us. Okay, what we'll do, give the name simple bar chart. So to make this, instead of dragging and dropping, what we'll do, double clicking on sum of sales, double clicking on market, put the market into the color. This is not compulsory, but if you want, you can keep the market for knowing which color stands for which market. You can put it. Now this, how these values are coming, because of this label. If I click on this, values will be visible. Done. What you are given? Simple bar chart. And next one, stacked bar chart. Stacked means this one upon each other as it is stacked, like the plate in the marriage function, how they are stacked upon each other plates. That is what here it is. One is stacked upon another. For each category, it is showing how much contribution of that category, for how much contribution of that market is to that category. I can do opposite of this also. How much that category is contributing to the market. How will I do? I will just replace this. Market I will put here, and category I will put the color. Now opposite. In the Africa market, technology is contributing 322, 367. Sir, no. So all this opposite of this. Make one more stacked bar chart part 2. Make opposite also. Done. Now leveled bar chart. Make this first. Double click on sales, double click on category, double click on market. Put the category into the color. So see, first category, then market. So category is here. In this category, these are markets contribution I am seeing. In this category, I am seeing all these markets contribution. In this category, I am seeing all these markets contribution. If I do opposite, now in this market, 3 categories contribute. In this market, 3 categories contribute. Understood? Do this, everybody. What is this known as? Leveled bar chart. Here first level is category, second level is market. In this first level is market, second level is category. So your homework for today's class is formatting. Today whatever number of charts you are going to make, all you have to format. Okay? Done everyone? Next is line. Yes, your name is Kavya. Please read.
Line chart. Place data points connected by lines, often in trends over time. This trends analysis line series data. Example showing monthly sales trends. How to create. Navigate data dimension. Example order date to the column and tracking measure. Example sales data to the row cell. Tableau automatically creates a line chart.
So when we will use line chart, whenever we are using some time attributes, it shows us trend line. Okay, so see, but here what I'm using, am I using any time attribute here? No. So how I made this? So first everybody do this much. Put market and sum of sales. You will get bars. You got bars. Now go to this automatic. Select line. Done. You got the line. Now in this line you can select the line style. Now putting this market and sum of sales, I will get this labels. Going to the label, you can format it here. How will format? Control A. First selection is important, then you will get the color, bold, italic, underline, increasing the line size. Okay. Getting it, everyone?
Repeat once again.
Taking the market, sum of sales. Who is that? Who asked the question? Please.
Madhuri.
Madhuri. See here, Madhuri. This much is done. Madhuri, is it done?
Yes, sir. Color part is also done. Line also done. After that.
After that, what was there? This much you are done, right? Line also.
Yes, yes. After that, sir.
After that, nothing is there. Going to the label, selecting this much part, giving the font, whatever I want. Without selection, I cannot change this.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Done. Go for next detail line chart. Now here by default the line will come. By default line will come because we are using order date. It's a time attribute. Done. Is this coming? Sales amount sales भी चाहिए मुझे ऐसा लिखा हुआ. Understand Hindi? How will you bring the sales written here? Anybody? Colon. Where you will type? In label. We'll go to the label. These three dots. Here I will type this sales colon. Then it will be visible there. Control A. Bold. Size 10. Now only few of them are visible, not all are visible because space is not enough there. Space will be enough that all things will be visible. Then we go for next. How many of you are done? Now, as we all know that our order date, as it contains year, month, day, so it is a by default hierarchy. By learning hierarchy topic, we have understood that we don't have to create a hierarchy for date. It's a by default hierarchy, yes or no? So we are just figuring out what all things are possible when I. Now this is what it's acting like a dimension. It will have that levels. See, separate partition is there. Quarter, or months, days. Yes, there are partitions. But as soon as I make this a continuous value, I can make it either way. Clicking on this here. First, this is a dimensions here. This is a continuous here. Or you can do it from here also. When I click on here, now this become a green field. If I add this, see now there is no partition. The same field is becoming month, same is becoming week, same is becoming day. Do this everybody. Just observe what is happening. Done. Now, pie chart. We'll learn how to make pie chart. Before that, we'll just read some content about it. Because
Pie chart is the data is slice of a circle with each slice representing a proposition of the whole. Uses showing progression apart to whole relationships. The market share of different products. How to create drag and addition example category to the color set. Drag image example sets to the angle set. Select pie chart from the show.
okay, so we'll see it in two different ways. The first thing is market and sum of sales. So I'm going here. I'm selecting market. Control click sales. Okay, market and sales. Both are selected. Going to the show me panel. Selecting this. So I got my pie chart. Okay, extra things if I want. Now market, I want the names. So I can put that where it is. Where is market? The label. Okay, now sales also the label. Make this everyone. Done. Now we'll see how to make this by another way. Okay, everybody, without using any help of this show me panel, we'll try to make. This one is done, right? Just name it like this, another method of making it. So you might have unaggregated that. Go to analyze and select aggregate. You know how to unaggregate that field? Yes, I have shown you that, right? Aggregate measure, unaggregate measure while learning the calculated field. We have seen how that sum of sale looks when unaggregated using the product name. At that time, I have unaggregated this. You are doing all this thing on the same sheet, right? I guess. Why you are doing different workbook you have made, right? So show what you have done. Go to that analyze. Earlier all these things made properly. No, we have done something here. Here some of sales is coming, right? What you converted? You have to do that every time. Why? Something you have done wrong in between. What you have done, I am already doing. Okay. We'll take market. This guy doing the sales. Arey, sales. Where is sales? Okay, you have taken it here. It will be not there. Why you put it there? Now it is showing some of sales. You kept that sales in this. This is dimension section. Don't aggregate there. Huh. Everybody, see what I'll do. I'll take this market into the color. Okay. Now I'll just click on the drop down. I'll make it pie. But here is one problem. All the size are same because I'm not using any sum of sales or something. I'll take this sum of sales and put it into the angle or size, no matter. You can put it anywhere, doesn't have effect. Either you can put in the size, so, or either you can put in the angle. For safety, we'll put in both. That's it, we are done. Additional thing. So these 3 steps we are doing by just in the additional. Otherwise, just selecting this two attribute, going to the show me panel and selecting the pie chart. That is one way. By other way is just dragging this marks card into the color, this market into the color, converting it to pie. If I don't put this, what will happen? All the angles will be same. So it is very compulsory to put. See, sum of sales into the label I am putting. See, sum of sales, if I put in the label, still the size of all these are same. Sum of sales where you need to keep in size or angle. Then only that angle you will get correctly. Okay? Clear everybody? Do this everyone. I'll be back in 1 minute. Who's this? One sheet, 2 or more charts. What do you mean by sheet here? It's a workbook or worksheet. See, in one workbook you can make all the charts. In one sheet you make only one at a time. Who is this? I'm unable to see the name. Your name, not my name. Your name is also Arun. See, one sheet we can make one or more, that's not a problem, but keep it separate. Why to do that? See, if you add one more time sum of sales, so two sheets will get created. But why to do that? Keep one separate in separate sheet. Okay. Whatever message you are putting, I have to come again and again and see. Fine. Now, whatever we have seen, next one, try to make this. I'll be back in 1 minute. For market you have made, right? Wait for category. Then next one. Now see, for each market, I am able to see the distribution of the category. So first, you have to make this. You have made it, right? You just have to put market. So for each market, you will get that particular sales percentage. You, for the percentage, what you'll do? Quick table calculation. Percentage of. Make this, everyone. Someone is getting stuck, they can ask. Done. So that's it for today. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow. What happened? Hmm? Are you able to make this much? See, category putting into the color, making it pi. And then putting the sum of sales into the angle. Then sum of sale, if you just want to see these numbers properly, put the sum of sales into the text, go to the quick table calculation and make percentage of total. These numbers will be visible. Once this much is done, if you want to see this value for each market, what you'll do? You'll put where it is market. Clear everyone? Any doubt? So those who are done, they can pack up for today. See you all tomorrow. Don't be absent now. We are coming to an end of our course. Huh? Which data set you are using? No. Quick table calculation percentage of total you are done. Show me what you are done. Let me see. Those who are done, they can pack up. Thank you all.
And from the market, go and 7 then